Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. Today in this video I'll show you how can you fix the Cash App transfer failed problem on your Cash App transfers and account. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, open the Cash App and tap right here in the top right corner on your icon right here to go to your settings. Basically, you'll be taken to this screen. What you need to do to continue for this video is to scroll down, and once you scroll down you'll find the support button right here at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. So once you tap on it, it'll be taken to the screen right at the bottom again. Tap on chat to be able to contact the Cash App support team. And from here, you should go ahead and drop a message first. You'll get the chatbot. And the second message should be from an agent, a real person this time. And you can go ahead and describe your transfer issues and your failed problems that are happening about your transfer. And they should get back to you with a solution within a short amount of time. And that is it for this video, guys. If it was useful, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.